Hi there! Did you know that you can get accurate information about your immediate environment in just a few clicks? Ambee's suite of environmental APIs is designed to help you understand your environment to make the best decisions for your life, business, and more. So, whether you're a developer or a regular user, let's see how you can try Ambee's APIs easily. First, head to the API documentation and go to Developer Tools. Here you'll find all APIs along with their features and other relevant information. Select the API and timeline you want. Let's say you want to know the latest pollen count in New York City. To check that, scroll down to Pollen Latest. To try out the API, click the Try Now button here and this screen will show up. Here there are two main sections, authorization and parameters. To authorize this call, copy your unique API key from the Ambee dashboard, paste it here, and click Authorize. When it comes to the parameters, you can make a call for any latitude and longitude. For example, this is New York City's latitude and longitude. Before executing, you can also select the language of your choice here. Press Execute, and you'll see your response on the right-hand side of the panel. So there you go. Go ahead and try out all of Ambee's APIs and stay informed. If you need any other tutorials, please feel free to comment below. See you soon.